Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 3024 West Borough. He had a problem with this line backing up. Came out here, we ended up arguing it out. They were able to get like 50 feet. Came down here. Came down to the basement, the garage here, there's a stack in the garage. We ran from there. We were able to remove some roots that we seen around the transition. And then out to the main. But we're going to believe there's a bad spot there out by by the main out there. We're going to go ahead and inspect it and show you what it looks like. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera out here about 77 feet. As you see, this PVC is collapsing on itself here. It's pinched up. There's a big root ball growing in, pinching the PVC together. This is right, I've located it in the front yard right near where the main is. It's we'll go ahead and get another locator on that, get the depth on it, I'll be right back. Alright, so we had located, marked the spot. It's in the neighbor's yard there on the side of the driveway. It's 13 feet deep. Definitely going to recommend that to be repaired right there. Go ahead, pull back, show you what the rest of this line looks like. Alright, so yeah, this line's going across the driveway here. Right there, it's 9 feet deep, and it dives some depth for the main out there. Got some PVC here. Got a turn there. Here we are at the transition. This is working with 4-inch pipe and a 6-inch. And this is where we stopped earlier, and there's a bunch of roots growing in. You see, we've cut them back pretty good. There's still a little bit hanging around in there, but we've removed the majority of them. I'm going to mark this. I'll be right back.